Hey,
It's Young John, the wicked producer.
I boy. Hello, baby, yo. How do you do? Show my family. Oh, yeah, me see. I don't mind. Why shall I shy? Show my family. Yeah, me see.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by applying my leave-in conditioner. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of water, and then I will be applying my leave-in conditioner now. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. For this high bun tutorial, I decided to go bit by bit. So I'll take a little portion of my hair, comb it, apply the gel, and then comb the gel through the hair, and as well brush the hair as well. So that's just what I decided to do for this particular high bun tutorial, because I'm trying to get my hair to slick down properly. And the gel I'm using is the Eco Styler gel.
Movies all night, we ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through, so baby I'm glad I found you. Make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place.
So right here, I'll just be taking a little bit of jam, to apply more on the hair to help it slick it down more.
Solo, but it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down, let's celebrate this love we found.
So right here, I'm gonna put it into a high bun, and then I'm gonna slick my edges. This is totally optional. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf. I'll be tying 2 scarves. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and this is the Marley hair I'll be using. I'm gonna attach the rubber band on the Marley hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf. This is just like an hour later, so it's not properly dry yet. If you want it to be completely dry, you can sit under a dryer for like 30 minutes to an hour, or you can just go to bed with it. If it's at night time, when you go to bed with it and wake up in the morning, it will be completely dry. So but I'm gonna go ahead and work with it like this. So I'll be attaching the Marley hair on the bun, and then I'm gonna twist, separate the Marley hair into 2 equal parts, and then twist one part and wrap it round. And I'm gonna wrap it around very tight because I'm going for a top knot style. And I'm gonna repeat the same thing with the other strand. So I decided to just use a little bit of a blow dryer, especially on the parts where we have the white stuff, And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.